If you're running into a Gamma app collaboration error, especially when someone can open a deck but can't actually edit it, this video will help you fix it fast. In this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through two common issues that cause collaboration problems in Gamma: the view-only permission error and workspace member exclusions. By the end, your team should be able to collaborate properly without running into blocked editing access. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, let's fix the view-only permission error. Open the specific deck you want to share inside Gamma. Make sure you're in the exact presentation or document that the other person needs access to, because permissions are often set per deck. Once the deck is open, look for the Share button in the top right corner of the screen and click it. This will bring up the sharing options for that deck. Now, in the Share menu, look carefully at the drop-down next to your colleague's email address. You may see that the permission is currently set to can view or can comment. If that's the case, that's exactly why they are unable to edit. Click that drop-down and change the permission to can edit. This is the key step. If Gamma only grants view or comment access, your teammate will not be able to make changes inside the deck, even if they can open it. After changing the permission, double check that the email address is correct and that the updated access has been applied. If needed, refresh the page or ask your colleague to reopen the deck so the new permission syncs properly. In many cases, this one change solves the collaboration issue immediately. Next, let's fix the workspace member exclusion problem. This issue happens when someone has deck access, but they are not properly added to the workspace itself. To check this, go to your main workspace settings dashboard using the left-hand menu. Once you're in settings, click on Members. This section controls who is officially part of your team workspace. Here, make sure your team member has been explicitly invited using their email address. Do not assume that sharing a single deck is enough if the workspace is set up with stricter member controls. If they are missing from the members list, send them an invitation and have them accept it. Then assign them the correct role, either member or admin, depending on what level of access they need. This part is really important because if their permissions are restricted inside the workspace, Gamma may block them from editing group decks, even if the individual deck says they can edit. In other words, workspace access can override or limit deck-level permissions. So, if someone is still unable to collaborate after you change the share settings, the workspace membership is the next place to check. Once you've confirmed they are invited and assigned the right role, have them sign out and sign back in, or refresh the deck if needed. That usually forces Gamma to recheck permissions and update their access. If they were previously stuck in view-only mode, this should allow them to edit normally. So to recap, if Gamma collaboration is not working, first open the deck and change the share permission from can view or can comment to can edit. Then go into workspace settings, open members, confirm the user is invited, and make sure they are assigned as a member or admin. Those two steps solve most collaboration errors in Gamma. If this video saved you time, please give it a like and subscribe for more easy fixes and step-by-step app tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.